Hello folks. Let me show you a simple way to upload your capabilities. First, you can upload your part numbers from an Excel spreadsheet. This method takes advantage of our patented technology. Not uploading your part numbers will prevent customers from finding your company as a qualified repair station when searching our site, or our links that get indexed in major search engines like Google. Second, we also provide a way for you to upload your list as a PDF by clicking this button and selecting it from your computer. We encourage you to take advantage of both options to increase your sales exposure for your aviation repair services. Now, let's copy and paste a list of part numbers. Here you can see a very basic pop-up window where you will enter your part numbers. Let's open Excel. Here's a typical spreadsheet with a few columns of data. The only column required is the part number column. This is important, do not copy these other columns. We will not accept multiple columns from your sheet. Select the cells you want to copy. Right-click. Copy. Then navigate to the upload box. Right-click. Paste. Then click Done. It's that simple. We do a quick calculation here so you can see how many numbers you uploaded. Now let's say in the future you want to add or remove numbers from your capabilities list. You will be able to edit this list from your profile once you are an approved member. Nobody knows your business like you do, so be industrious. If you are a modification center, you'll want to include your mod numbers to your list. Engine shops. Landing gear shops. Heavy maintenance facilities. Avionics shops. Whatever you are licensed by the FAA to repair is what you will want to include in your capabilities list. It's important you include the items you think your customers will be searching for. The MRO business is very competitive. Gain that competitive edge. The easier you make it for your customers to find you, the more opportunities you will have to close deals. Don't miss the opportunity to tell people about your company and what you have to offer. If you need help, please reach out to us. That's all for now. Cheers.